coconuts. Get your coconuts right here, right now. Could you imagine? You have lemonade stands. You got now you got this one weird guy. He's selling coconuts. It's up to you to learn how to crack them. Yeah. Anyway, today here on Simply Syrups, we're going to make cream of coconut, and the reason is it's really hard to buy cream of coconut. You can buy coconut cream, which is not the same as cream of coconut. Coconut cream has no sugar in it. Cream of coconut has sugar in it. And that's what you want when you're making cocktails. Like I said, really hard to find. Couldn't find any in my area. Go online and they want like an arm and a leg and a coconut to buy one of these things. One company actually wanted $25 shipping. Are you insane? like who's gonna buy that? I don't know. Like I said, coconut cream has no sugar. Cream of coconut has sugar. And the other problem with the popular brands like Coco Lopez and Coco Real are the ingredients. Oh my God! I was so shocked when I read it that I printed it off so I could read it to you. So Coco Lopez, probably the most popular of the bunch. We start off with coconut, that's a good sign. Sugar, yeah. Water, oh wait, now we get into them. Polysorbate 60. Sorbitan monosterate. Salt. Propylene glycol alginate. Mono and diglycerides. Citric acid, guar gum, locust bean. Then Coco Real, with a name like that, you'd think it should be real, right? Well, we got coconut juice, that's a good thing. Pressed coconut meat, milk, oil, and water, butylated hydroxyanisole, 200%. That's like BHA, right? Butylated hydroxyanisole. It's a flippin' carcinogen, man. Let's throw that in there. Yeah, we got sugar, we got glycerol, salt, acid. The acid is citric acid, of course. Mono and diglycerides, sorbitane monosterate, sodium alginate, xanthan gum, potassium sorbate. Can't get enough potassium sorbate in your diet. Oh, and then the last ingredient is natural rosemary extract. Come on, people! What is this? I'm done ranting, okay? Let's make the good stuff. We're gonna make it from scratch, and it's gonna be just as good, if not better. Now this recipe I got from Art of Drink, and it's Darcy O'Neil's recipe. So I haven't made it before. We're just gonna follow the recipe and see what happens. Okay, you could use coconut cream in making this recipe, but it's gonna take you a little longer, and he recommends coconut milk. You want a coconut milk with a high fat content. Who cares about calories, right? This one is 17%, where the coconut cream, coconut cream is 25%, right? Either or, you could use either or, you really could. But we're gonna follow his recipe with coconut milk. This is like 400 milliliters or 1.7 cups, yeah. In the pot it goes, okay? And it's such a wonderful white color. Now we need our sugar. Typically you will use white sugar. I decided to go with golden cane sugar. You could actually, I was even considering going with coconut sugar. But coconut sugar is a little darker, right? So you want this brightness, this white in your cocktails. And yeah, your cream of coconut will just end up being a little too dark, perhaps. So, but the cane sugar, I think, tastes better than white sugar. His recipe calls for 1.75 cups or 375 grams. Seems like a lot. We'll find out. An optional thing is coconut milk powder. Now, I'm going to use it because what it will do is intensify the flavor of coconut. Oh yeah, shoot. Wow, Coconut City. Right next to Spatula City. And you want to mix this in with the sugar, because if you throw it into the mix, it's probably just going to clump up, right? So we're just going to mix this in to the sugar. 1 tablespoon of coconut milk powder. Yeah, that should be just fine, just like that. What's really, really nice about this recipe is it's easy. It's easy as 1, 2, 3, right? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put some fire on here. Yeah, baby. We're gonna turn it way down because we don't want to boil this. All we want to do is heat it up. We're gonna add our sugar, coconut milk powder mixture in little increments, just stirring it in. I don't know, seems like a lot of sugar, but we'll find out. Mind you, it probably isn't, because you know, typically in cocktails, you wouldn't use much more than maybe an ounce or so. So it'll all work out in the wash. Yeah, it will. We're just gonna stir it. Stir it, stir it, stir it. Yeah, you see some of that clumped up a little bit, but that'll all dissolve into it for sure. And a pinch of salt. A good pinch. And the salt is just going to bring out the flavors of the coconut, much like the coconut milk powder. And it's going to intensify that flavor of coconut. So basically, you just want to heat it until it becomes translucent. I mean, it started out white as white can be, and it's almost there actually. You know, we're talking like 5 minutes to make this stuff. I got my coconut nut. Wish I knew the rest of the lyrics. I got my coconut nut. The Coconut Song by Mia Farah? What's her name? It's a good song. Anyway, we always need a song when we're cooking. Yeah, we do. I'm almost in, actually. So basically, you want to just warm it up to the point where all the sugar is dissolved. Do you like coconuts, Aaron?
Eh.
What do you mean, eh?
It all depends. Depends on the application.
Bounty bars. That's coconut,
Nah.
isn't it?
Yeah, Bounty, no. Nah.
Too sweet.
But, I mean, yeah. Coconut rum, nah.
Ooh, coconut rum.
Eh.
Well, there are some better brands other than Malibu out.
Yeah, I know. We need to try that.
Yeah, I think I have one on my bar somewhere. Maybe we'll do a taste test later. Because I was thinking, I might just fortify this with some more coconut. Actually, it won't need fortifying because you're probably going to get at least a month in the refrigerator out of this. And you know, you could always freeze it too. And by freezing it, it's almost indefinite, really. And just use it as you go, you know. Make some ice cubes. Put them in a baggie and you're in. So basically, I don't know whether you can get this, Aaron, or not. Yeah, we're looking for that sort of translucent quality to this syrup. I feel no grits on the bottom of the pan. Yeah, we're done. Done. How easy is that? Okay, all we want to do is bottle it. Actually, we should probably let it cool for a moment, and then we'll bottle it. I'm gonna go refresh my drink. I need some more ice cubes, so I'll see you after this cools, all right? Well, it hasn't cooled down as much as I wanted it to, but that's okay. We're gonna pour it in our bottle, and we'll have some left over, and that'll be that. As you can see, if it was made with white sugar, it would have been whiter. But I'm okay with that. You know, this amber gold type color is just fine. I think we should taste it for starters. See, coconut for sure. Coconut. That's really good. I'm really surprised at Darcy O'Neil's recipe. I thought it was going to be like cloying sweet. It is sweet, don't get me wrong, but it will work perfectly in some cocktails for sure. I like that. Now, to fortify or not to fortify? That is the question. I'm a-thinking. Let's fortify it with some Bacardi coconut rum. Sure. And I'll tell you, this is so much nicer than Malibu. I'm just saying, that's my personal choice, my personal preference, but I don't know, this seems kind of blah.
No, you're right. It's blah.
Well, I don't know, it doesn't, I don't know, it's not strong enough. Coconut. Anyway, I don't know whether this is a good idea or not. It's a good idea. Trust your gut, always trust your gut. We're gonna fortify with like, I don't know, half an ounce. That's enough. Coconut City, right here. Oh, wrong lid. Coconut City. Okay, I'm gonna try some more here. Whoa, coconut. Wow. I like it. Anyway, make some cream of coconut, and I don't know, next time I guess we'll make some tropical drinks. You know, perfect for a pina colada, of course. Painkiller, of course. There's so many cocktails, tropical cocktails that use cream of coconut. So we'll make something very special for you next time. Cheers. Thanks for watching. If you like what you just saw, hit that subscribe button down there. Doesn't cost you anything, and you'll be supporting us. How wonderful would that be? Thank you.